Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Clorox Toilet Wand Cleaning Kit. So here's everything that comes in the box. You've got this handle. We've got to attach this piece to the holder. So you're simply going to slide it in from the bottom. Just slide that in and then you're going to press these two things in right here. So those two tabs go in and that slides in. This is what holds the actual holder. It sits right there. Here's where you're going to put the cleaning pads. So they come in this. We got to open this up. Okay, let's take an actual look at the cleaning pads. Now here's what they look like. You're just going to simply put them in this holder and then you snap the tool onto each one. And then when you're done, it's got this release button up here. Then you're going to press that button and it pops off. And simply lift this lid and just put them in there. That's how they're going to go. Okay, so measurement wise, this stands about 11 inches tall. Front to back is about 6 inches. And you can hold, looks like about up to 9 inches of those pads. And a full set of pads is about 5 inches. Now overall, with the handle, it's going to sit about 16 inches tall. Okay, so let's see how well they clean a toilet. Again, you're just going to lift this up, grab your poker, and just stick it in there and snap onto one. It grabs one pad. It's held on there really tight, and you're going to start cleaning your toilet. It's angled nice. It gets up underneath there. Can we get down in there really far? Yep. Now there's some chemicals that are going to dissolve in the pad, and that's what's going to give you your cleaning solution. Get really nice and clean. Yeah, it's got a lot of chemicals inside that pad. There's what the pad looks like. I can get up here, get all this nice and clean. I can get up underneath the rim. It's doing a good job. There's the water, yeah. Now, there's two ways of using this. You can let it sit for a minute and then flush the toilet, or you can let it sit for 10 minutes. If you let it sit for 10 minutes, it does a lot more disinfecting. But yeah, you can see the water's all nice and blue from the chemicals. We can get in there and scrub real easy. All right, so then you want to just, when you're done, you're going to take this to the trash can, just get all the water out, and just hit this button. And it just pops in the trash can. And then we just got to rinse this. And that actually did a really good job. It's kind of nice and shiny and really, really clean. I was able to get down in that little area and clean pretty good, up underneath the rim. And then when you're done, it just stores here by the toilet. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.